Devor meha a rinwashlegus file heroiv on Ine Dernoch the Vina Sauna, the last Friday in November 2020. We just heard the news that the restrictions are being lifted a small bit from next week on in this country with the COVID and so on. Agus tamigléir súla nolig ma. Well, sa clár nocht níl mór an blúiski exúl úsáitgum mar tá ráchean go gúleanach chud stifere. I haven't used too many CDs in tonight's program because there's a lot of stuff in two of them at least. One of them is the new CD for tonight. Railach Records produced, and they call it Raw Railach. Every Volume 1. This is a wonderful CD. Tá rá Uimrin Dieger, at least I'm going to get 12 tracks of unpublished material from their artists that they had in their previous 17 publications. This is Ibre Hochtiag, agus is Fiú Gomóra Seo. This is a great compilation album, lots of different musicians and colours and tastes in it. Rudaván Mail Railach Records, Jack Talty Tanavon, agus tá caidan an ard buintlis an Ceoil agus leis na léirúcháin ilig. Agus is féidir teachtar ag railachrecords.com. You can find them at railachrecords.com. And as I've been saying for the last 6 weeks, musicians need to be supported, and small record labels like Railach Records, Gailing, Clár, they need to be supported in these COVID times. So, ma hanch vi knach brought na she sel idir knach erline agus seo ceann anava. Says ceann general to Railach Records, Volume 1, Raw Railach. An ceann eile tá úsáidegum a nocht gúil rein fá fórmint a bhaig sean ceann seo go ngéis siad geann tríir. Agus hain sé seo a sra telefísi bhí TG Ceathair. This particular collection of recordings came from a television series that was on TG Ceathair, and they were mostly recorded in 2000, 2001, 2002, 20 years ago. So, tá Ceoil an a bhair, an éagsúlach Ceoil Hóiris marsinde, agus sné cúsgurú sáidir session in nocht chama. An slígur haine sem live, na gur Johnny the Hangleichrum a lorug tafod the Ceoil Hóiris agus níting eilin at ach seo. So, sin geann trí. An ceann eile atá go nocht na Jans Blan, songs we learned going to school. Tá rábhrána seir agus abhráin bhuiile haine gon goléir a séad agus leanaí ó Ghaelscoil na éagsúla a can na hánta agus an ceann dearncha sáid go an ceann seo abhrána tead a hóra. Seo LP, this used to be an LP, came out in the 70s on the Gailing's record label, and there's 12, 13 tracks in it. There's 2 songs of Sean's on the programme tonight. Abhránaí úntacha Chorcaghine b'nach déilis. So sin an clár nocht. Tá cha umhor going sich more to spawn or. We have 2 competitors in the gold medal competition tonight. The piper is Simon Pfister from Holland, from Germany, and the Emily O'Connor is the name of the harper. She's from Clare. They're 2 wonderful musicians, like all the other competitors this year. This year the standard has been very high, and it's a joy to listen to them. So you will hear another two good competitors tonight. I had a little mishap during the week. My boiler burst in the Lauren here in the library, so I haven't put that lecture together for my patron supporters yet. The lecture is together, but I need to record it. So besha go mantach chun le cúnú dé. Gur maithagah agus ficim sibhar in seachtain le agus sin slán. Iwa.